Alright, you guys, we'll do one more. This is for Beastie. He's like one of my favorite characters in Rick and Morty. Anyone over the age of 50 or under the age of 18, shit's gonna get real dark, real fast, so hold your children and your old people while we do this, because they might want to run away. Alright, so when I say existences, I need all you guys to say pain as painfully as possible. Like, I want to feel it coming from your pores, from your hair follicles. Like, get weird with it, because this is Adult Swim and that's what we're all about. Alright, so when I say existences, y'all say pain. You ready? Existences! Pain! Existences! Pain! Existences! Thank you guys, you're so fucking beautiful. Thank you guys all for coming out here and making it.
And that's why I always say, shum shum, slippity dop.